Hey guys, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be reviewing the Jura E6. Let's look at some of the design elements on our Jura E6. We have our moonlight silver sides, a nice piano black in the middle, and a few chrome accents. Now you'll notice I'm using a few accessories today. I have my glass milk container and my HP1 milk tube, cup warmer. Everything else comes with the machine. Now the way this guy works is super simple. My beans are loaded on the top. You'll also notice that this machine has a very nice gasket here, so it's always fresh. Now one point I'd also like to make about this is it doesn't have the bypass that almost all the other Jura machines do, so you're really limited to what you put inside of it. So if you have decaf drinkers or you're kind of split in the middle, might not be the right choice. Now the way the water tank works, comes out front loading. So if you have a valence, super convenient, super simple. You'll also notice it's using the Claris Smart filter. Now let's talk about some of the drinks we can do. So with this machine, it has roughly 7 drinks. Single espresso, 2 espressos. You'll also have my 2 spouts here. Cappuccino, hot water, coffee, 2 coffees, and milk foam. Let's try a cappuccino. Now what you'll notice about this machine is it's a 2-step process when I'm actually doing that. I'm going to take my cup here, I'm going to put it here so the milk frother is located just behind the spouts. I'm going to click cappuccino. The machine's going to grind the beans. Now while it's grinding, the thermal block is actually heating up. I'm going to see that little thermometer come up, and when it gets to the top, it's going to tell me to open the tap, which is located here, and I simply just turn that dial and it will start foaming until I close it. It says switch open, turn the dial. You'll notice it's now drawing my cold milk from the container, heating it, steaming it, frothing it, put it in the cup for me. I have it set for 16 seconds. And once that's done, I can just close the dial. Now what I'm gonna do is move my cup so it's centered in between my spouts, and I'm gonna have my 2 ounces of espresso. Now it is very simple to use. Obviously there's other machines like the E8, N8, S8, and so on that do it in 1 step with no intervention. This requires a little bit more of that, but still very, very easy and very simple. And as you can see, I have my perfect microfoam, really nice espresso, and there you have it, cappuccino. Excellent, as usual. Now, if I wanted to do 2 espressos, you'll notice on the screen here it only shows me 1. The way it works is I actually click it twice, 1, 2, and now you'll notice it says 2 espressi. I'm gonna get my 2 cups here. Let's use some traditional espresso cups for this guy. Now the spout moves up and down, and what you will notice is that this milk piece also moves with that. So that's 1 giant piece that's built together. I have my 2 espressos set for 1.5 ounces. So that's gonna be 1.5 ounces per cup. On the fly, I can increase or decrease that. And if I wanna cancel it, if I want it short, I just click the cancel button, and we're done. 2 espressos. Some people sometimes forget that option, that you just need to click it twice, because the display just shows 1, but you do have that beautiful feature with this machine. Now another almost hidden feature is the hot water. So you'll notice I have my 4 beverages, which is espresso, cappuccino, coffee, and milk foam. It doesn't actually say hot water, but if I want hot water, I can simply turn the dial here without clicking milk, and you'll notice I'm getting my hot water. So if you're a tea drinker, if you like Americanos, super simple, super easy to use. Now some of you watching might also say, okay, he just poured a bunch of water in the tray, what's going on? If you want to empty it, really easy, comes out like that. Coffee grinds are in here, fully sustainable, so that's all compost, and any and all liquid is caught on the bottom. If I want to put it back in, really easily put it back in, and that's it. Really, really like this. Overall thoughts are, if you're okay with having a single blend, because it doesn't have that bypass feature, then I think it's great. You're missing kind of that 1-step functionality, but it's not too complicated to use. At the end of the day, I think it's a nice entry-level machine, and it looks great on the counter, the colors and everything about it. Personally, I would say it's a buy. Please check out our website, www.fiamma.ca, where you'll be able to find all these products. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram for some cool giveaways and fun content, @Fiamma_Canada. Thanks for watching.